How to purify a Terraria world. So first is grab the purification tools. So items like the contaminator loaded with green solution or basic purification powder if you are still fairly early in the game. So I have my contaminator right here. So just basically use it directly on any corruption, crimson, or hollow tiles you want removed from that area. As you can see right here, I'm just going to use it just like that. And the area is being purified. So just make sure that you work in a clean, deliberate strips, moving steadily through tunnels and open areas systematically rather than spraying randomly. The key tip here is always start purifying at the actual source of the spread, not just at the visible outer edges. So check your map and see where it is actually spreading. And if you leave even small infected pockets behind untouched, they will regrow and spread right back out over time, which will basically undo your progress. But this is how you basically purify a Terraria world.